Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you create an Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, it's very simple. At first just go to your phone settings and in the top here you can see sign into your iPhone, click on it. Now if you don't have any Apple ID, click the bottom. These don't have an Apple ID, click on here. Now after that give your first name, your last name, give your date of birth. Now click the bottom continue. Now give an email address and after that click on continue. Now you need to create an Apple ID password, so create one. Now after creating your Apple ID, click on continue. Now you need to just give your phone number. Now after giving your phone number, just click on continue, and after clicking on continue your Apple ID will be created. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.